we're now boarding at platform 15, not platform 1. Where we are now. Platform 15 is on that way. It's certainly cosy. Here's where I'm sleeping tonight. Yeah. This is where Lynette's sleeping tonight. Yeah. And why are we sleeping this way round, my love?
I don't trust you being on top.
Why don't you trust me being on top?
In case you break the bed.
Why would I break the bed?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's for the ambience. And then a USB, a reading light, a temperature control. Knock that down to smooth. Just enough room for 2 big winter coats. A full mirror. A small sink. And Euston Station. A shower, toilet, and towels, and my finger. Do you want to see what's in the eye? Oh God.
Ooh. I don't know what I'm saying ooh at.
Yet.
We have earplugs, which I think may be essential.
Mm-hmm.
And a sleep mask. That's it.
Can you try the sleep mask on, please? Our viewers at home would like to know what the sleep mask looks like.
Happy to oblige.
Are you asleep yet?
Not yet.
Do you feel sleepy yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
And that's it.
This is as wide as I can make the camera go. The room tour is brief because it is quite small, so let's go check out the club car.
How are you finding the Caledonian Sleeper?
It's quite
Compact.
It's compact. I mean, I'm 6'1".
No, you're fine.
It's all right. It's a bit. Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me. And you wouldn't want to probably sit here all day. It's definitely made for sleeping, this room, which is fine, but definitely compact. But at first, I've never slept on a sleeper train. Lynette's never slept on a sleeper train.
That stayed dead still then.
It will do. It's a gimbal camera. I don't know how I'm going to edit that together. But what are you looking forward to in Edinburgh?
Everything.
3 times.
You can edit that out.
Just going to point out that we are using a new vlogging camera for this, because no one's going to watch this unless you subscribe, like, and hit the bell. I think.
No, you know who will watch this?
Our mothers.
Your mum, my mum.
Yeah.
And cuz.
And cousin. Cuz.
Cuz, saying cuz. Hi Tom.
Hi Tom. I don't know, some people might, but then lots of people watched our other vlogs, and over 200 people watched my motorbike vlog, and lots of people watched our reenactment vlog. So we just like taking you on our little adventures, and it doesn't matter who watches it. This is mainly for my memory because I can't remember anything anymore. So this is for us anyway. So we're just going to enjoy it and take you on some things in Edinburgh. Edinburgh?
If you know, you know.
You know. What new foods are you looking forward to trying in Scotland?
Well, I don't like haggis.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like neeps and well, I like tatties, but I don't really like neeps.
Right.
Shortbread?
You know, Edinburgh's famous for oysters.
Nope. Don't really like whiskey.
You don't like whiskey? So you're not really going to try much new stuff, are you?
Always the adventurer.
Me, on the other hand, I'm here for all the whiskey, all the haggis, all the Scottish beers, all the oysters.
I'll try beers.
Would you try an oyster?
No,
Yeah.
Absolutely not. Not a chance.
You don't?
100% no.
Yeah.
No.
You know what oyster? No, oysters?
Not going to happen. Absolutely never going to happen.
Not going to happen.
No.
I'm going to eat the oysters. No oysters. I'm going to have oysters.
Too many people get ill from them.
I didn't.
You've had them once.
But I liked them. Was I ill?
No, you weren't ill. But lots of people get ill from them.
There's another train over there.
Looking forward to shopping. Looking forward to doing the castle. Looking forward to buying souvenirs. Fridge magnets. We need fridge magnets.
We need fridge magnets.
I'm looking forward to the castle. I'm looking forward to the Surgeons Museum.
Yeah.
That's right up my street. And yeah, there's a few shops I want to go into, a few little quirky shops. Might see what books there are around. Always in the market for a new book. Might treat myself because it's my birthday next week.
Ooh.
But we'll keep that under wraps. We shall see.
We'll see.
But I'm very excited.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just take in the atmosphere.
Six and a half hours later.